If you're looking for a quick way to store file uploads directly from your forms into Dropbox or Google Drive, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set that up in just a few minutes. No fluff, just the essentials. To start, let's look at why you might want to do this. Whether you're collecting files from clients, students, or customers, saving those uploads directly to a cloud storage service like Dropbox or Google Drive can streamline your workflow and keep things organized. Plus, it's secure and easy to access from anywhere. First, let's talk about using Google Forms. If you're already using Google Forms to collect information, you can integrate it with Google Drive. Google Forms doesn't have a built-in feature for uploading files to Drive, but you can create a file upload field. When someone submits a form with an uploaded file, that file will automatically be saved to a folder in your Google Drive. Simply create a new form, select File Upload as one of the question types, and Google Forms will handle the rest. Files uploaded through your form will be saved in a folder that's automatically created in your Google Drive. Now let's move on to Dropbox. To store file uploads in Dropbox from forms, you'll need to use a third-party tool. I've tested a few popular options, but the one I recommend is a tool that integrates directly with both Google Forms and other form builders like Typeform, JotForm, and more. This software will automatically transfer files uploaded to your forms into Dropbox, saving you time. The integration is simple. You just connect your form builder to Dropbox, select the folder where you want the files to go, and you're good to go. The software will do all the heavy lifting behind the scenes, ensuring that any file uploaded from your form is safely stored in Dropbox. But here's the best part. If you're looking for a seamless way to connect your forms to cloud storage, the software we're using today offers an exclusive free trial to my viewers. You can follow along with the tutorial and see just how easy it is to set up your integrations. The link for that free trial is in the description below, so don't miss out. Now, here's the key takeaway from today's tutorial. Whether you're using Google Forms or another form builder, storing file uploads directly in cloud storage like Google Drive or Dropbox can save you a ton of time and keep everything in one place. It's super easy to set up and keeps your files organized and secure. To recap, we looked at how to store file uploads in Dropbox or Google Drive from forms, using Google Forms with Drive's built-in upload feature and a third-party tool for Dropbox integration. If you're ready to get started and want to take advantage of the exclusive free trial, the link is in the description below. Thanks for watching.